In this video, we'll discuss 13 nighttime remote jobs that don't necessitate a college degree or prior experience. These are accessible positions regardless of your current job status. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Number 1 on this list is the after-hours coordinator, typically an individual responsible for overseeing and managing activities or operations during non-standard working hours. These hours include evenings, nights, or weekends, and the role ensures the smooth running of essential tasks, services, or events outside regular business hours. Often found in the healthcare field, after-hours coordinators handle tasks like taking sick calls, addressing staff shortages, dealing with disciplinary issues, emergencies, and patient flow matters such as admissions and discharges. The annual salary for after-hour coordinators ranges from $39,000 to $58,000. Skills required include effective communication, organizational proficiency, problem-solving abilities, and the capability to handle emergencies. While the position may involve downtime, sudden events may require immediate action. Overall, it's relatively easy to get into, with an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Next, YouTube coaching. There's ample space on YouTube for individuals in various professions to share insights about their jobs. I genuinely believe this is an untapped niche on YouTube, as channels discussing specific professions, like software engineers, are relatively scarce. You have the opportunity to discuss your job in these roles, assist others in entering the field, and potentially earn a significant income. Next on the list is remote assistant specialist, akin to a customer service representative, but typically operating during the late night hours and handling emergency situations. The annual salary for remote assistant specialists ranges from $47,000 to $64,000. It's an easily accessible role, requiring only a computer and the ability to learn basic software without the need for a college degree or previous experience. This position scores a 9 out of 10 for opportunity. The subsequent role, as support engineer, is more challenging to enter and is suitable for individuals with prior experience in the technology industry. Responsibilities include designing computer systems for easy maintenance and repair, providing ongoing assistance to keep systems operational and users satisfied. Support engineers earn approximately $63,000 to $106,000 annually. Skills required encompass technical and software knowledge, verbal communication, listening skills, problem solving, critical thinking under pressure, and time management. Given the higher entry barrier, this role scores an 8 out of 10 for opportunity. Next, logistics specialist. In this capacity, you essentially act as the linchpin connecting customers, field inspectors, and internal teams. Your mission is to ensure smooth operations and exceptional service even during challenging weather conditions such as hurricanes and tornadoes. It's almost akin to being the air traffic controller of operations, guiding resources with precision and ease. Logistics planning often occurs in the middle of the night, just before trucks start leaving warehouses. A notable quote from Napoleon emphasizes the importance of logistics and operations. Logistics specialists typically earn between $48,000 to $74,000 annually. Required skills include communication, attention to detail, strong computer proficiency, critical thinking, problem solving, and negotiation abilities. While some individuals transition to logistics after a few years in customer service, certain positions in this field don't demand prior experience or a college degree. Overall, this role earns an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. Moving forward, the overnight travel concierge takes the spotlight. These individuals, often working with affluent people or executives, go beyond merely booking flights. They orchestrate every aspect of the travel experience, ensuring transportation, dining at quality restaurants, and visiting noteworthy sites aligned with the traveler's preferences. In this position, which typically pays about $36,000 to $57,000 annually, working overnight usually results in slightly higher compensation. It's an easily accessible role, especially suitable for those passionate about traveling, earning an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. The sports trading analyst is the next role on the list. In this position, individuals analyze sports data for informed decisions, primarily for betting purposes. Responsibilities may also include contributing to competitor or industry analysis and handling customer service tasks. Sports analysts earn approximately $46,000 to $81,000 annually. The only prerequisite for this role is a deep understanding of various sports. Given its niche nature, this role earns an opportunity score of 7 out of 10. Following this is the tax preparer role, offering numerous overnight job opportunities. As a tax preparer, you assist individuals and businesses in organizing and filing their taxes to ensure compliance with tax laws. The annual salary for tax preparers ranges from $42,000 to $64,000. It's relatively easy to enter this field, as no prior experience, specific skills, or a college degree are necessary. However, it tends to get busy during tax season. This role, presenting multiple opportunities, earn an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Feel free to comment below about the job in this video that resonates with you, and I might consider creating more content about that specific job. Next on the list is the overnight data entry clerk. This role involves managing clerical tasks related to entering and updating data in a computer system. Data entry clerks typically earn $34,000 to $47,000 per year. While it is one of the lower paying roles, it is straightforward to enter, earning a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Following that is the fraud specialist position. These individuals investigate and sometimes prevent fraudulent activities, primarily in industries such as finance, insurance, and e-commerce. They analyze data, identify patterns, and use software to detect fraudulent activities. Fraud specialists earn around $44,000 to $59,000 per year, requiring more skills than some other positions. It is relatively easy to get into, especially if you enjoy problem solving, and it holds a 9 out of 10 opportunity score due to potential career growth. Next is the donor eligibility coordinator, responsible for ensuring potential donors meet health and eligibility criteria for life-saving causes. Eligibility coordinators earn about $43,000 to $68,000 per year. This role is relatively easy to enter, often not requiring a college degree or previous experience, earning an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, we have the Facebook ad specialist or any type of media buyer. This role strategically places ads to target specific audiences on social media platforms such as Facebook, Google Ads, YouTube Ads, or TikTok Ads. The Facebook Ads managers typically earn $46,000 to $75,000 per year, with significant potential for upward growth. It's relatively easy to get into, requiring basic skills, and holds a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Finally, the sales assistant is someone who handles inquiries, processes orders, and assists the sales team, especially for higher ticket products. Sales assistants typically earn $35,000 to $60,000 per year. This role serves as a gateway to better sales jobs and doesn't necessarily require a degree or previous experience. It receives a high opportunity score of 9.5 out of 10, given the lucrative potential in the sales field. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!